Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we're gonna be doing the mob wife challenge that you might see on Instagram, your YouTube shorts, and YouTube videos as well. So here my aunt, who is a professional makeup artist, is doing my makeup for me, and we're starting with the professional primer, and then we went ahead and did our base with LA Colors foundation. I didn't want to go so heavy on my skin, but then as this was a makeup tutorial, we had to do what we had to, or else normally I just use a BB tint, or just the tinted moisturizer or the sunscreen. And for the concealer, she took a elf concealer, and I think she also mixed it with Revlon concealer, the whiter shade, so that it can highlight my under eyes, while the elf one can cover the dark circles or the just pigmentation around my lips. And then after that she just used this Milani Make It Last setting spray, and then this makes the blending process really easy. Here I was so happy because it was the first time while I was getting my makeup done, and it's such a relief when you don't have to do your own makeup and you just be there, like just be a model for a day. And then after that she wanted to just contour my face. Normally I don't go for contouring because my face is already like small, not tiny, but it's just small, so I don't contour that heavy. But then she said according to the makeup or the trend, we need to contour my jaws, my cheeks, and my nose. So that's what she did, and then just blend. I really love LA Colors concealer and contour cream as well. Then after that she used C Glam blush, and I don't know the shade, but it was a peachy color which really went along with my skin tone. I am Indian dusky skin tone, so peachy coral sort of color looks really good on my skin. And then after that she used a Revolution liquid highlighter. I don't normally go for liquid highlighter. I feel like it just goes into my pores and then make it look larger. But then the finish that this one gave, I used to mix this one with foundation before because it used to give that airbrush sort of finish, but then I really loved how the highlighter was looking on me. And then she used this Laura Mercier loose setting powder just underneath my eyes to prevent any crease, and then she baked afterwards with the same powder using a pizza puff. I love that pizza puff, it gets to each and every corner of your eye. And after that she used this ABH brow pomade. This was I already have really thick brows, and then I don't do that much. Normally I just go over it with a nice sort of a gel. I feel like it just leaves my brow really dark when I use any sort of pigment, so I stay away from it like on a day-to-day basis. If I'm going for something casual, like on everyday basis, I don't use a pomade. But then this was a makeup, not tutorial, but this was a makeup for a makeup trend, so we had to use the pomade. And I'm not gonna lie, I loved the finish of it. I just think it looks slightly thick on my face, but then I really love how it turned out. And then for eyes, this is going to be the star of the whole look. We wanted to go for that black smoky eye because the mob wife trend that's going on internet right now, it's all about brown and black smoky sort of eye with a nude lip, going along with golden jewelry and all of that. So to create that brown and black sort of smoky eye look, she took this Milani Pure Passion eyeshadow palette. As I said before in my other videos, this palette is my favorite because it has all the neutral tones, the brown tones, and it also has shimmer, so it's really nice for me. So she just took the dark brown and really concentrated it on my eyelids, whereas she took the darkest of the dark brown, which slightly looked like black, and then she just focused it on my lash line and then blended it afterwards. And then after that she took a black kajal and then just put it on my lash line. She did not smudge the black kajal that much. It just like she went over it so that it wouldn't look so harsh. Like it sometimes it looks really harsh when you put black kajal, it might look patchy as well. And then after that, to make my brow bone look really popped out, so use this white transition shade. And for the drop eyeshadow, she used the same brown, which means on my lower lash line. So yeah, this is how she created the whole brown black sort of smoky look. And I always stayed from like smoky eye look, because I think, you know, the black color made me look, I don't know, I just didn't like it on how it looked on my skin, to be honest. But then after this makeup look, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be trying this look again, because I'm not kidding, when we were done with the whole look, like with the lips done and with the eyes done and the hair out, I was feeling myself. Like, I never went so heavy on my eyes. I always keep it neutral or add a little bit of shimmer if I'm going on an event or something. But this smoky look really made me, like, you know, fall in love with the whole focusing in your eye sort of makeup trend. And then here, see, just dusting off my baking powder, the powder that we used for baking. And after that, she took this Hola bronzer by Benefit, and then she just bronzed my cheekbones and my jawlines just to set the contour with the powdery thing. And then at last, to bring everything together, she just used this Milani Make It Last setting spray and then highlighter to bring everything together. And highlighter is my best part of my makeup. And then we moved on using the Swiss Beauty lip liner. I think lip liner, I prefer it to, you know, apply it by myself, because I don't like someone being so close to my face. It just makes me weird out, like, you know, I just like to use it by myself. So it was Swiss Beauty lip liner with a lipstick, which I don't know the shade of. It's a MAC lipstick, but I don't know the shade of it, because it's written in Japanese. And then we topped it up with Maybelline lip gloss, which is my super favorite. Like, it's so good on Indian skin tones. I'm loving it. Like, right now, it's what I always go for. And then at last, we applied this Benefit This Is Real mascara. And with my hair out, oh my god, I can't explain. I was feeling myself, like, I was feeling so good. And I was questioning myself, like, why didn't I do this look earlier, sort of. So afterwards, I'll add some golden jewelry, and that's it. This is the finished look. I just took out the rollers, which just gave me this blowout sort of look, which I'm really digging right now. And then I got this golden, I think it's called teardrop sort of earring to go with the look. I created this look for the mob wife trend that we have right now on YouTube. So yeah, I just did some smoky eye with a brownish nudist lip. And then to finish it, I just blowed out, like, use the rollers to give volume to my hair. And then I just use some golden jewelry. So that's the whole look. I hope you guys like this video, and I will also tag my sister who did my makeup. She's a professional makeup artist in India, if anyone is interested. So yeah, for now, that's it. I just wanted to hop on the train and do the mob wife makeup. For more such makeup related videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this content, and then keep on watching. Thank you so much for joining so far. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.